All right, so we have our sanders here. We got our 3D going right now. We got a couple of 3D prints that we're doing here. These are perfect. I like that they have different bands, so you don't have to be replacing constantly. So when you're actually sanding, if you guys see, I actually started sanding, and it starts getting dull. All you gotta do is slide it. That's all you gotta do. Slide it back. And this thing it rotates. If you guys can see, it rotates just by sliding it. All right, so let me show you, demonstrate you a little bit. So here you slide it back, and that's how you slide it. You see that moving away from the dull part, and that's how you do it. And then they come off easily. You can replace them. If you guys can see that, you could come out easily, and they have different colors because they different grades of paper that you have in here. All right, so they come with different variety sizes, of course, different variety of graded paper on every single one of them, and they do sell replacements, or you could just buy your own and cut them yourself. They're pretty much just tape and glue in the middle, and that's it. So if you guys notice, this is how they are. They put a little tape in there and get the right measurement, use one as a template, get your own paper, cut them out in your own sizes, and you can use it. Now to put it back on, it's easy. You just have to press it. There's actually springs in here, and today we're going to be sanding some of the stuff off, especially right here in this kind of part. We're going to have to sand some of the stuff, so let's go ahead and do that. Put the sandpaper back, you guys can see it. Pull it forward, and that's it. Rotating is easy, just rotate it. All right, so let's go ahead and start sanding some of the stuff, some of the little corners that we can. Some of these edges right here, it's hard to find how to actually sand. That's why I use this a lot for the hard parts right here. If you guys can see that, little frayed little areas, just hard to sand. For the bigger stuff, I'm gonna use something else, but right now I just want to get in here pretty much and finish it out. So we're gonna go ahead and start finishing it. But very handy tool, like I said, just rotate it. Simple replacements. You don't have to buy the replacement online. You can make your own. I hope you guys enjoy the video.